Good morning, moon. Are you enjoying the sunshine? How's the ranch cat this morning? Look at that belly. Oh, he's on the hunt. He's on the hunt. Bird hunting. Good morning, everyone, from Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. So the cleanup begins. The guys this morning are getting all the old tin loaded on the trailer. We're getting ready to come to a close on the end of the barn, and so they decided they're going to take a load today in the trailer and get all the stuff cleaned up. And we'll have more video here in just a minute. Okay, so now we are on the back of the barn, cleaning up all the old roof tin. And as you can see, it is an absolute beautiful day here in East Tennessee. The trees are blooming. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? All coming into beautiful green color. It's going to be so lovely when they're in full bloom. And we're fixing to head down to the barn right now and sort through some wood. Okay, as you can see on the barn, we have some additional patchwork that's been done by John. Yesterday he got up on the barn, and we'd had a really good rain the night before, and we did have a few leaks due to rotted rafter and some unleveling. So John pulled some additional tin out and put another post in to re-level and re-tin the roof. So it looks good. We're still ready for paint. It's going to be a beautiful day here. Hope you guys have a good one. Good morning, everyone, from Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. It is a beautiful day here today. I think it's like 56. It's a bit crisp and a little bit damp, but it's going to be a gorgeous day. What you're looking at is the barn doors that John got hung yesterday. And as you can see, there's no glass in them at this time. My plan for that is to go get some plexiglass, clear plexiglass cut, and then fill in and leave those original doors the way they are. As you can see, they look like they're not level. They are very level. One of the problems with hill farming is that this barn was built on an incline, as you can see. But I do have some dirt up back, and so the ground inside alley 1 has been severely worn down due to weather and animals and stuff like that. So we're going to fill it in, and if it becomes necessary, we'll figure out how to put something on the bottom of those doors. We still want them to swing, but we do want to close that gap. I got one piece of glass to take out. With any kind of animals, you never have any glass in your barn. You know that. It's just not safe. Horses do dingy things. Over here in alley 2, we have some really nice cedar logs that we're going to keep for borders to different planters and for different projects that we're doing. A lot of our REM blocks are going to be reclaimed and used for steps that we need to rebuild. We've got some beautiful rocks here that we've got to figure out what to do. Probably, I don't know, put them somewhere on the property for design or decor with planters, because they're no longer a necessity for stability in the barn. And pretty much today, the guys are doing a cleanup job. They are going to take all the old lumber. They've been here already once this morning. They put a new spindle on my riding mower so I could do the yard today. And then what they're doing this morning is they're going to be sawing up all this old wood and basically just doing dump runs. We're going to put the leftover tin that we have up on top of the historic room, which should be a feed room. It'd be a really nice feed room, don't you think? But it's going to be a historic room. And get this all cleaned up. Nancy has sent me a magnet so that I could run the barn ground with a magnet before we put any of our equipment in here. We don't need any more flat tires. Seems to be a thing around here. Tires. This pile right here, these REM pieces, some of it will be used in our insect boxes. Some of it I'm going to use to fill in between rafters for that finished look. So when we paint, I can paint it the opposite color of the barn. And we don't have a lot of material left over. These items are still in here that are supposed to go to auction. But if the auction house doesn't pick them up, I'm going to go ahead and list them on Facebook and see if we can get them out of here. So clean up today. The barn project is coming to an end. I hope you all have a good day. Bye now. Moon, did you come up to sit with me? Come to keep me company? Yeah, him's a good boy. Him come up to sit. Him come up to sit. New stuff to explore, huh? Him's a good boy. Him's a good boy. Come up to explore, huh? Something new. Aww. You need to make biscuits? You got your moped on. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hey, I need my hand back. Good morning, everyone, from Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. What you're looking at is a post pounder and a delivery of some posts for the fence that is to go in on the little ridge. How exciting! We've been waiting a couple years for this project to get started, and they are delivering the materials. It's okay, they're just gonna take the posts off the truck. With their little Kubota. Stop it. Do you want to be on video too? In your puppy playpen? You do too? Say stranger danger? Silly girls. That's enough, Annika. That's enough. Okay, so I am standing on the front porch of the cabin, and they are carrying a load of wood posts up on the Kubota tractor with the side-by-side following, and they are almost to the top of the ridge. So I'm thinking they're gonna lay out their materials and then possibly get started on it tomorrow. Hard to tell, but definitely this is a material layout. How exciting. There are going to be 4 paddock fences over there and cows by the beginning of May. Here he comes down on the tractor on the descent from the ridge. Again, creeping along. pretty steep up there. Like I said before in my previous videos, I think they come down at about a 90, or I'm sorry, an 80-degree angle. Okay, we'll have more video to follow.
Watching our videos. We appreciate all the support that you give to us here on this channel. And we also have Kentucky Garden Gal Facebook page. We have a Patreon account just for the farm, and I will put all of those links in the description and on the screen. And if you don't care, would you give this video a like? Make sure you're subscribed, and if you want to drop a comment, we would love to hear feedback from you.
Sure would. Be good to have support.
Yes, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
See you later. Have a great weekend.